If you've got a bunch of data with calendar dates and you want to get a little more specific and figure out which day of the week that is or even which month it is, I'm going to show you a quick formula how to do that. Right next to incident date in this cell, I'm going to type in the word month, and then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to type in this formula, equals text parentheses, and I want to start the formula right here. So that is D2. So I'm going to type in D2 here, then I'm going to hit comma, quotation marks, MMMM for month, quotation marks. I'm going to end my parentheses, and then I'm going to hit end. And it automatically converts this date to the month right here. You can then drag it down as far as you want. It'll automatically do that for the rest of the cells. If you want to do it for the day of the week instead of the month, just adjust your formula. Come up here, type in day of the week. I'm going to come back down here, equals text, and we're still living in the D2 column. I'm going to hit a comma, parentheses, and instead of the M, I'm going to put D for day of the week, and now it's going to give me what day of the week that is, and again, you can drag this down.